Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Glassdoor detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Glassdoor, start by visiting the Glassdoor website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal information, including your email and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the homepage to familiarize yourself with the features available. Utilize the search bar to look for companies or industries of interest. Analyze the company pages that display employee reviews, salaries, and interview insights. Take note of companies that have positive employee feedback and strong financial performance. Use the company ratings section to assess overall employee satisfaction. Look for companies that align with your personal values and investment goals. After identifying potential investment options, perform further research outside of Glassdoor. Consider analyzing financial reports and market trends for these companies. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that suits your investment needs and offers competitive fees. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to prepare for purchasing shares. Return to your chosen companies on Glassdoor to reaffirm your investment decision. Once ready, use your brokerage platform to buy shares in the selected companies. Monitor your investments regularly by checking updates on Glassdoor and financial news. Make adjustments as needed based on company performance and market conditions. Engage with the Glassdoor community to gather diverse insights and experiences. Continue educating yourself about investment strategies to improve your decision-making. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. Stay informed about changes in the companies you've invested in through Glassdoor and other financial resources. Adjust your investment strategy as your personal or market conditions evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.